Let's see how to reset iPad password if forgotten. In the first step, open Settings. Now press Face ID and passcode. After that, type your present passcode. In the next step, open Settings. After that, click on Apple ID at the top. Then press iCloud. In the next step, open Settings. After that, tap on General. Now, press Transfer or Reset iPad. In the next step, open Settings. Later, click on your name. Later, choose Find My. In the next step, use a computer or another mobile. Now go to iCloud web page. Now log in using Apple ID. Next, pick your iPad and proceed. You are good to go.